In today's video, I'm going to teach you getting started with QuickBooks Time, track employee hours, and manage your team. If your account is already set up, the first thing to do is log in from your desktop browser. Using the desktop view makes the layout and settings easier to navigate, especially while you're configuring options for the first time. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click My Team. This is where you'll confirm that everyone who needs to track time is listed. If anyone is missing, select Add Team Member and enter their basic details so they can sign in and start clocking time. Accurate team membership is essential because every timesheet, schedule, and report ties back to these profiles. Next, take a moment to organize your workforce. Go to Company Settings, then Groups, and create groups or departments that reflect how your business actually operates. Organizing by job site, location, role, or department makes scheduling faster, improves approval workflows, and gives you cleaner, more meaningful reports down the line. Now, open Settings and choose Time Tracking. Here you'll set how your team records hours. Turn on the time clock if you want simple clock-in and clock-out tracking. Configure break settings so required meal or rest breaks are captured consistently and in compliance with your policies. Review rounding rules carefully. If your company rounds to the nearest 5, 10, or 15 minutes, align it here so totals are accurate and predictable. If you're unsure, keep rounding minimal or match your written timekeeping policy. If you use payroll or accounting software, you can connect it now or later. Go to Feature Add-ons, then choose QuickBooks Online Integration, or select another payroll app. Integrations help you sync timesheets, reduce manual entry, and speed up payroll processing. Just follow the prompts to map your team and pay items correctly before you run your first payroll. Before you roll this out to everyone, explore the main sections on the left menu. Time Clock is where daily hours are captured, whether on web, mobile, or kiosk. Schedule lets you build and assign shifts, set roles or locations, and notify your team. Reports is where you'll review hours worked, labor costs, overtime, or attendance trends, giving you the insights you need for approvals and planning. Finally, run a quick test. Ask one team member to clock in, wait a moment, and clock out. Confirm that the entry appears as expected in your time clock and reports. If everything looks good, you're ready to roll this out to the whole team. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.